Hi, in this lecture, I will be speaking about Sumifs. Now, what is Sumifs? Sumifs is nothing but if you want to calculate multiple conditions. As you can see my data, I have got data which says console. We have got sales data. Here for 2016 till 2018. I have a very huge data we have like this. Okay, and I've got regions. So this is some data which I've got in this sheet of yours console, and I have made one separate one sheet called sheet 2. In sheet 2 may have a data which says 2018 years. So if I type here 2016, so it should tell me the total gross amount for each region. That is from this sheet of yours. See, 2016 to 2018, I have got 3 years current data, and it should tell me the gross amount of that particular region curve. So that time we will be using this option called as Sumifs, because I have to check with year and I have to check with region wise. So multiple conditions. So that time we will be using this formula called as Sumifs. So let us see how we can calculate this. So first of all, you have to come in this sheet number 2. The formula you will use is this. You say equal to Sumifs, then tab. So my bracket gets open. Then you can press Control A. That is your function argument I'll be using over here. Then it's asking you sum range. Now sum range may you click on console ka sheet and you click on this L, that is your gross amount. Then it's asking you criteria range 1. So you click on that range 1 and click on your console sheet, and you will click on the alphabet B, that is this year. Then it's asking you criteria 1. Criteria 1 is nothing but this B1, which has to be, that is the year. Whichever year you type here, it should tell you the region, right? So this you'll have to lock it by pressing that F4 off button. So it will lock it over here like this. Then asking you next is criteria range 2. Now criteria range 2 is nothing but, if you come back to your console data, that is the C. Alphabet C, if you click, that is your region. And last is your criteria 2. So just click here, and that is this region. From here you'll have to check the details. So this is how you can use this formula. Once you're done with this much, just say OK. As you can see that it is telling you units. So United States car 2016 May the sale was so much. It has calculated the entire details for this. As you can see that France, Australia, Germany is not coming because in 2016 May there was no sale here. So that's why it's not showing me. So if I change this to 2018, so it should tell me full details of 2018 car from this sheet, see, of that particular region wise. So if you change it here, if I type here 2017, it should tell me 2017 car. So this is how we can use this formula called as Sumifs if you have to calculate multiple conditions. So I hope you have understood this formula, and keep on practicing, and I will see you in the next training. Thank you.